Marvin Guy, a man accused of killing a Killeen detective and SWAT officer during a no-knock raid in 2014, still hasn't seen his day in court 7 years later. Our Jarrell Baker tells us why those who support Marvin Guy feel he's been forgotten.
My heart aches every time I even think about it. His intentions was not to break up a family or harm a family. He was just doing what any normal person would do to defend his castle.
May 10th, 2014. Marvin Guy was put behind bars, accused of shooting a Killeen Police Department detective who later died during a no-knock raid on his home. Killeen police suspected Guy of having drugs.
They didn't find anything in the warrant they were looking for, so they obviously had the wrong guy. To me, that this was not a guy who was intent on murdering cops. It was a guy who was just trying to defend his home.
After 7 long years, Guy still hasn't seen his day in court.
I cannot believe they have that man still sitting in jail. He can't even fight his case.
Supporters, friends, and family of Guy say part of the reason is the Bell County justice system, and the other is Guy's defense team.
He feels that the public defenders are working hand in hand with the prosecutor to try to convict him.
There are a lot of defense attorneys that would prefer to just take a plea deal as opposed to fight the case.
Guy's brother, GARETT GALLOWAY, says Guy has dismissed 3 teams of defense attorneys, but is now adding 2 new attorneys to his defense.
These Texas-approved attorneys in capital defense, they may not have the knowledge to be able to support Marvin. So hopefully these guys can come in, get that bond reduced, get him out of jail so he can fight this case.
Last month, Killeen city leaders passed a no-knock warrant ban, which gives Galloway hope that change is coming.
I think it's a very big first step, into getting justice for Marvin.
Guy's bond totals $4 million on 5 felony charges. They hope for a day in court this year. In Killeen, Jarrell Baker, 25 News.
Jarrell, thank you. The 51-year-old is being charged with 1 count of capital murder and 3 counts of attempted capital murder after allegedly shooting multiple officers while killing one detective, Charles Dinwiddie. During the gunfight, Detective Dinwiddie was fatally struck in the face while 3 others were also shot. Guy is asking for the capital murder charges to be dropped, but district attorneys are asking he get the death penalty.